Okay, here's my clock, register A, the bus, and shift register B. You can see right now the bus is set with 1 bit. Taking the jumper off, now the bus has nothing in it. Now I'm going to load to the bus from register A. Now the bus and register A match. Now we can see the register B had 1 bit. We're going to load all 8 bits from the bus to register B. And now register B has 8 bits. Now I have the bus enabled for just 1 bit. I'm going to load register B from the bus, and we have 1 bit. Now disable the load. We've latched the 1 bit in register B, remove the jumper from the bus. Now we're going to load from register B to the bus, the 1 bit, and then we're going to load register A from the bus, the 1 bit, and latch the 1 bit to register A.